boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar Sevdaliza, new one here on this channel with a song called High Alone. So this one is also a very easy song here, a bit darker and cool. So let's start here, no need for any capo. We have 4 chords to handle. E minor first, that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next up is G, third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Then A minor, open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And finally, the C. So third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Alright, so this song is all about down strokes like this. And yeah, we have kind of 2 chord progressions, one for the verse and one for the chorus. So this one is pretty easy to play. So let's start first with the intro, and that is also played in the same way as the first verse. So the chord progression there will be 8 downs on the E minor, and notice there I'm doing the downs on the bass strings. And yeah, I will not try to include the top strings down there because this, like I said, is a bit darker the song. So hammer more on the bass strings. 8 downs on E minor, then you shift to the G, 8 downs, then to the C, 8 downs, and A minor, 8 downs. Alright, you do this chord progression for 2 rounds, and that is the intro. And when I'm strumming, I try on at least the first 2 chords, the E minor and G, to try to emphasize the A string here, the 2nd fret, which I'm holding through the E minor, this one, and also the G, this one. Alright, because you hear that it's a little bit more prominent in the song than the other notes. So that's just an extra tip there. Alright, so the chord progression, 2 rounds of this one, and that's the intro. Then it continues even in the verse. So you have the same way of playing, same chords and same amount of strumming rounds. Downs. So 8 downs for each chord. So E minor, G, C, and A minor. You play this in the same way like this in the verse, and you play this chord progression for 4 rounds. So this is the 3rd round, and the final round for E minor 8 times, G, C, and A minor. And that is the first verse. Alright, then it changes for the chorus, and the lyrics in the chorus starts with, oh, I wanna go low with you. Alright, so now you're gonna start with G, 8 downs, then A minor, 8 downs, and E minor, 16 downs. Then C, 8 downs, then A minor, 8 downs, and E minor, 16 downs. So the chord progression is G8, A minor 8, E minor 16, then C8, A minor 8, and E minor 16. So it's very similar, these 2 kind of lines there. The only difference is instead of G in the first round, you play C in the 2nd round. So this chord progression, G, A minor, E minor, C, A minor, and E minor, you play that for 2 rounds. So a round without any speaking and me interfering the playing sounds like this. Alright, so that was the chorus. 2 rounds of that. And that lead us to the second verse, and everything from now on is kind of the same. Second verse in the same way as the first one. The second chorus in the same way as the first chorus. And then we have a bridge part in the lyrics, if I were smiling. So there you're gonna play 2 rounds in the same way as you play the verse. So 2 rounds of E minor, G, C, and A minor, 8 downs for each chord. And then it ends with a final chorus played in the same way as the other choruses. And that pretty much covers Sevdaliza's song High Alone. Hope you enjoyed this, guys. If you did, let me know. Leave a comment, something nice, and see you soon. Don't forget, play tuned.